WFC. So I am the founder of WFC. So we'll be having our WFC fight at 5 tomorrow. So it starts from 12 in the afternoon. So we have a lot of good fight coming up over there. Our main event is Farid Khan versus the crowd favorite, Johny Nongrum, the real gangster. In a co-main event, Babit Kharkanosh is taking over Avinash from Dojang, and there are a lot of good fighters lined up. Please show your time, please show your presence and grace us with it. So we'll be waiting for you in Madan Kurkalang, RSDA, Sports Complex in Borengong. Everybody please join us for WFC Fight Night 5. Thank you so much.
Do you have any message from Farid?
I want to knock him out.
Okay, now coming to Farid. What's gonna be your message to him? No comments, only likes.
Forward, from the red zone, we have Johny! Out from the red zone, we have Farid! Johny from the red zone and Farid from the blue zone. This is all the reason.